So today we're doing a review of the Sky Phantom FPV drone, and here it is right here. We got it at Costco for $29.99. It is quite small, so now let's give it a test and see what our opinion is of it. Above the, you need to go high. Go away. I'm having a hard time controlling it against the wind, and it's quite far now. It's going down. It's not going down. So it didn't really work, and it ended up quite far. So I don't know why I can make it drop from here, but when I'm trying to pull back, I'm trying to make it come towards us again, it doesn't go. It just keeps going in that direction. It's probably because of the wind, but this is the second time it's done this to us right now, and it's not really looking too good. So we're gonna try and record video quality from this, and we're gonna show you that video quality that it is displaying from the actual camera. So I'm hooking up the phone right now so I could see what it looks like. And it comes with a little clamp so you can put it right on the controller. We're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so we're gonna take off right here. Okay, we're going against the wind. As you can see, the video quality isn't that good at all. It's really pixely when put larger, and it's really slow. It doesn't really like a lot of movement, which is quite odd because it is a drone, and it's the quality from the phone and when we transfer it is not good. So the Syma Sky Phantom was average, but the only problem I really had was the controls. It didn't really seem to respond. Also, we tried this 360 flip, but it didn't really work out. Then it ran out of battery. It runs out of battery quite quickly. But for $30, it does seem to be able to fly just in controlled areas, not with a lot of wind like this. So for the Sky Phantom, I've got to give it 2 out of 5 stars. Wasn't that good, but you can still get a semi-decent amount of fun with it, but you just have to chase it all over when it gets out of range. So that's our review.